Welcome back. Now, one of the things you can do inside of Circle is to create a special space for events. To do that, you're going to go to your space group. You're then going to add a specific space. And what you're going to do is you're going to create an event space. You're then going to click Next. You're going to give your event space a name. And you're going to give that name an icon. And again, just as you can with any other space, you can make it so that everyone who is part of the space group will then become part of your event space. You can make it so that anyone can access your event space if that's the way you want it. You can make it private like all of the other posts, or secret. In this case, we're going to leave the event space open. We're going to make sure that individuals get notifications via email as well as via in-app. Now, there's one particular aspect of the event space is that you can auto RSVP space members to new events. We're going to enable this. What we're then going to do is click Create Space. You can create a new event within the space. To do that, you're going to click New Event. You will then give your event a title. You will indicate the host. You will set the time, and you'll make it so that if this is going to be a repeating event, you can indicate that. You can set the location, and in this case, you can make it so that the location can either be a link, you can make it so that it will be in person if you're going to do that, or you can make it so that it will be a Circle live stream. Now, what you can also do with this particular Circle live stream is you can make it so that the recording will automatically be posted to the event, and you can toggle on to disable RSVPs. In this case, we're going to leave this turned on. We're going to click Set Access. The Circle will immediately begin to ask you how you want to structure your live stream. What we're going to do is stop the video here, and we're going to pick it up from structuring our live stream for this specific event. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.